In primetime news this evening, it's Lisa Hanna, MP set to leave representational politics, ranked the best performing shadow minister.
Prime Minister tours crime-plagued constituency.
And later, opposition demands probe into SCJ's handling of the lands under its control. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. It's Wednesday, so gas prices on everybody's mind.
Oh yes, Janella, it's one of the most highly anticipated day of the week for motorists, and we'll tell you by how much gas prices will be declining come tomorrow later in the business day.
Okay, thanks Andrea. And we now go to Jeremy Brown. He'll tell us what's on everybody's mind in sports.
Well, thank you, Herman. The final Diamond League meet of the season is in Zurich on Thursday. And Shalane Fraser-Price and Sharika Jackson are promising fireworks. We'll tell you about that a bit later on.
1-2, but who? There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, do you intend to take the monkeypox vaccine? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.